don't give up because it's all worth it. My name is Ashley Sayre, and I am an associate cybersecurity analyst. What I do typically is identity and access management. I do a lot of vulnerability management. I've been studying a lot for obtaining my Rapid7 certification, and I'm now Okta certified. I decided on the cybersecurity career path because growing up, safety and security was always kind of like come and go. So I really focused on security. So with that, I started working within banks. In banks, you learn a lot about physical security and what to look for and how to keep others safe. And with that, I started becoming not obsessed, but I became really passionate about wanting to teach others what to look for and how to keep themselves safe, especially because I saw a lot of fraud within the banking industry. So I ended up taking that passion and I wanted to just transfer it to more skills and keep developing. And that's where the cybersecurity portion came into play. Being an African-American woman in the cybersecurity field, at first, I thought it was going to be extremely challenging. I was very nervous about it. I didn't think that I was going to get a job. I thought that I was going to be looking for a long period of time. But in reality, that didn't really have anything to do with it. People just saw how much I wanted to put in the effort and how much I wanted to learn and how much I wanted to make a difference in the world. And that completely, I don't want to say it overlooked the fact that I'm African American, but it definitely helped me out with trying to break into the industry. Since I started my job 4 months ago, it has met my enjoyment and challenge of everything that I was looking for within a career. When I started this, I was working full time, had a 3-month-old, doing all of the work, the classes, and then staying up until 1, 2 a.m. and then having to do it all over again. And I cannot believe that I actually made it to the end. And now everything is good. It went from not seeing the light at the end of the tunnel to thinking that I was going to stop the course, to carrying on and thinking that I was never going to get any jobs after it, to here. It was a roller coaster of emotions, but looking back at it,